Hello everyone, welcome to Enterprise Support Advisory Council 2021. My name is Prashanti and I'm the workstream lead for Create Your First SAP Mobile Development Kit application. I would like to give you an overview of what you can expect from this workstream. So the SAP Mobile Development Kit enables developers and technical business users to build multi-channel applications. It allows you to build your application once in an integrated development environment and run it natively on the mobile devices, whether it's Android or iOS, and as a web application on the browser. You can easily deploy an updated application to your end users with a few clicks without going through the whole code signing process. The Mobile Development Kit client connects to SAP Mobile Services and updates the application content automatically. The applications are developed visually in the editor and then deployed to the mobile services and SAP Business Technology platform. In this workstream, you will get hands-on experience in using the SAP Mobile Services Mobile Development Kit to create your first cross-platform mobile application, connect to an OData backend, and use native controls of Mobile Development Kit to enhance your application. Enterprise Support Advisory Council 2021 is structured in 3 phases. Phase 1 is a program onboarding where we do a feasibility assessment and discuss on the setup. Phase 2 involves program execution where we conduct 3 sessions with corresponding homeworks, where session 1 is about setting up the SAP Mobile Development Kit. Session 2 is about creating an offline Mobile Development Kit application. Session 3 is about deploying and running the application on the Mobile Development Kit client. And in the last phase, which is phase 3, it's a program completion, where we will wrap up the work stream with a call where we discuss about the lessons learned and we take any feedback that you might have. And for this collaboration to work, you need to invest a team of at least 1 to 2 members to attend the remote sessions and complete the homeworks. In return, you will gain hands-on experience in building a multi-channel mobile application using SAP Mobile Development Kit and support and guidance from an expert throughout the program. So if you're interested in this workstream, please contact us for an introduction call. Thank you for your time and stay safe.